everyone. Don't you ever feel like you want to give up? When I was playing soccer, I always felt like when I was giving up. Here is my story. 3 months ago.
Come on, let's play soccer.
No, I don't want to play. I don't want to play.
Just start, man. Give it some time.
It's so hard. I want to be like those people on the TV who score so much goals. And me, I'm just so bad at it. I can't score any goals. It's so hard.
Because the people on the TV, like Cristiano Ronaldo, they were just as bad as you right now. They couldn't even kick a ball. Because of the practice, they kept practicing. Look how good they are now. Maybe even if you keep practicing, and you could be as good as them.
Okay, all right.
1 month later.
Yeah. See, it's so hard. I can't score any goals. I want to quit soccer. Let me try baseball.
But you should just keep practicing, man.
No, I want to play baseball now.
Okay, then let's just try.
Yay! It's baseball time! See, it's so hard. I can't even hit the ball. I want to quit baseball.
You just started, man. Keep practicing.
No, I want to quit everything.
Okay, then let's just take a break. 1 month later. So do you want to play? Okay. Gonna score. Let's get ready. Gonna score. Yeah. What?
Yes, I blocked your goal. Soccer's so fun. I want to try it.
See? Okay, let's keep practicing. Let's do penalty kicks. Yo.
Yes, I blocked it again. I want to continue soccer. Yay! Yay! Yes!
Good job, Ishaan. 1 month later.
Yes! I scored. It's so much fun. I am hopeful because my family gives me courage, and I am hopeful because I can get on the I want to get on the soccer team. Yeah. Don't give up. Don't lose hope.